Hi guys, so I bleached my hair last week and I just trimmed it myself and now it's so short, but I like it. And I toned it with the Wella T18 and it's still a little bit of brassiness. And I bought this purple shampoo, but I didn't use it yet because basically purple shampoo will take away all protein inside your hair, and if you're trying to heal it, you shouldn't be using it. But I'm tired of this yellow color and I'm going to tone it a bit. Since the Wella T18 left a little bit of yellow and I don't want to bleach my hair again, not at least in like 3 months. So basically you just need to wash your hair with the shampoo, rinse it out, then tone it with the shampoo, leave it for like 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so I just wash my hair with regular shampoo. And imagine you're inside the shower, okay? So I didn't wash with this because this will dry your hair. So I'm just gonna use it as a toner. So basically you're just gonna grab it. This is my first time using this, by the way. So I think you just grab it like a shampoo and it's like damn purple. So you're just gonna squeeze it all over your hair and it's gonna turn purple. And it smells strong. It's like fruits, you guys. So just squeeze it through your hair. So you're gonna take away those ugly yellow tones. So then you just clip it. Okay, and keep showering, shaving, whatever you're doing for like. People say you should wait for 3 minutes, otherwise your hair is gonna turn purple. Just rinse it out. And I was scared my hair was gonna turn purple even though I wanted it purple. So as you can see, some parts look silver inside, some look matte yellow still. So now I'm just adding my hair mask and then I'm gonna deep condition it and then I'm just I'm gonna wait until it dries and I'm gonna show you guys how it ended up looking like. So this is the color my hair ended up looking like. It's the next day. I didn't record yesterday because it started raining and it was so dark and it was night already. So I want to show you guys how it looks like. I think it toned a bit. It is a little bit yellow here because I added argan oil, I think. And yeah, when I added the purple shampoo, my hair became matte dry. So if you don't have like mask or conditioner, after which I'm sure you have, it's gonna be dry. But you probably have those. So I added a mask and deep conditioner afterwards and the color stayed. So I'm gonna start using that from now on for controlling the ugly ass brassiness. So thank you guys. If you guys like this video, like, subscribe, whatever you guys think I deserve. As long as y'all not hating on the comments, I'll be happy. Okay, so see you guys in the next video, and if you have any idea of what kind of video should I do, more hair videos, or y'all are tired of this, like let me know. But my hair is always changing, so probably y'all keep seeing it again and again. But what can I do? Okay guys, thank you and I see you next one.